Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about Coinmena. And before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now, before we start the video, I would let you know that you can get $10 worth cryptocurrency absolutely for free on this centralized exchange using the link in the description. So just sign up with my link. I will also get some referral commission, and you will also get $10 worth absolutely free. So what is Coinmena? Coinmena is a place where you can buy and sell digital assets in the MENA region. MENA meaning Middle East and Northern Africa. Now, if you see this, Litecoin has given a decent return in one day, in a week's time, and these are all the assets that you can buy and sell. The first is a Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, USDC, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Then there is Chainlink, Uniswap, Compound, USDT, Chiliz. So there is a lot of crypto options that you have for buying and selling over here. What's the advantage? It has competitive fees, and to be honest, friends, yes, it does have very competitive fees because they barely charge anything, and then they have bilingual client support. That means you can contact their customer support, and maybe if you are an Arabic speaker, you can speak with them in Arabic and English. So that's not a big problem. And they also have this referral program, the one that I was talking about. I would leave a link in the description for this, so you can invite your friends and earn some money rewards as well. So both of you get $10, and Coinmina is in this all regions. I will tell you. Now they have some privacy and safety also. It's a trusted digital asset platform. It is officially regulated by Central Bank of Bahrain. It is Sharia compliant. So overall, this exchange is a good exchange if you are based in the MENA region. Now, if we go ahead and look at what countries, if we click on support, let's say if we are able to find this over here, there is one link where you can see what all countries you can invest. If not, then I will log in my Coinmina. So I've already logged in over here, and if you see, you can. So this is my balance. I had used my friend's link to create an account over here, and I had got close to $10 since the crypto market has fallen now, and the portfolio has dropped down. So I've bought some Polygon tokens using it. You can buy some other tokens if you want, tokens or coins. So you can put Bahraini dinar over here, United Arab dirham, sorry, Omani Riyal, Saudi Arabian Riyal, Kuwaiti US dollars, Qatari Riyal, and Egyptian pound. So these are all the this is all the currencies that is accepted on this platform, and this is how you can deposit your money. So basically, you can do a bank transfer, and you can select a currency in which you want to put in the money. Let's say if you are in Saudi Arabia and if you want to deposit Saudi Arabian Riyal, simply go ahead and click on Saudi Arabian Riyal. Now, for example, for dirhams, the weekly limit for me it's showing 9,300 dirhams. So the maximum that I can put every week is 9,300 dirhams. Although, if you want to apply for higher limits, you can go ahead and do that. And then they will do some KYC and stuff for you. And then, if you are approved, then you can claim the higher limits. And you can also deposit cryptos like let's say if you want to deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, so you can directly deposit them in this centralized exchange. There's also option of withdrawal. You can directly withdraw it to your bank account, and then there is option of trade. So if you click on trade, this is where you can actually buy and sell these tokens. So they don't have this option of futures and leveraging and everything. It's only buy and sell. Because if you see this, they have market order and limit order. uh, let's say if you want to like put in around 1000 dirhams, then you just have to since there is no balance that is there in my account right now, it's not reflecting over here, but you can buy using your own currency. Now there are two types of order. One is a market order and one is a limit order. Now I will give you an example. Let's say if Bitcoin today is $30,000, and as per the current rate, for example, it's $30,000, and if you put you need to put the amount, like let's say if you want to buy for $30,000, and you will be putting roughly around 110,000 dirhams for it. So what will this do is this will calculate the current market rate and directly buy it without waiting for the transfer to happen. So it will buy and the funds will be reflecting in your account. And the next is a limit order. Now, what does the limit order do is basically, let's say if the Bitcoin is $30,000 and you think it will fall down, and if you want to buy it for $28,000, then you have to put a limit price over here. I will change it to Bitcoin, for example. Yeah. And this is currently the limit price. You can go ahead and decrease it. Let's say if you want to buy it for 100,000 dirhams, and then what it will do is it will place a limit order, and as soon as the Bitcoin falls to this value, then it will automatically buy other tokens for you, and then it will reflect in your dashboard. And then they have this referral program which I was talking about, and these are few of the referrals which I have done. They have not completed the sign up, that's why I haven't got anything, but you can generate your own link over here and you can share it with your friends. So this was about Coinmena, and if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I'd be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.